Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to join Arabic letters to form words. To do that, we need to learn the rule for each letter, because some letters can be connected to the next letter, some can be connected to the previous letter, and some can be connected to both next and previous letter. Let us look at the first letter, alif. Alif. So alif, it cannot be connected to the next letter. So it means if you want to write another letter, you have to start new. Okay, leave a blank and start writing a new letter. Okay, so that is the rule of alif. Now, if you have a letter before alif, so this is how you join the letter to alif. You draw a line, a short line, and then go up. So that is also an alif. But this alif is now connected to the previous letter. So there you are. This is the rule for alif. So basically it can be connected to the previous letter but not to the next letter. Ba. Okay, so now we look at ba, ta, and also tha. So these three, they have or they share the same rule. So ba, you can connect ba to the next letter. So you just draw half of the ba and then you continue with the next letter. If you have another letter before ba, so this is how you do it. So this is from the previous letter, and then you draw ba. Okay, so this is how ba looks like when it is connected to the previous letter. Now, if ba is in the end of the word, okay, and now you are connecting it to the previous letter, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so these are the three shapes of ba. Ta is similar. Ta, this is the beginning ta. You want to connect it to the next letter, so you stop and join with the next letter. Now if ta is your second letter, you have another letter before ta. Okay, so you connect the previous letter to the ta by drawing a line. Okay, so this is your ta. And if it is in the final shape or final form, then it takes its original form, ta. The same goes to tha. Tha, this is the middle tha, and this is the final tha. Next we go to jim, ha, and kha. These three letters, they share the same rule. Okay, so for jim, if your first letter in the word is jim, so you just draw this part of the jim, and then you join to the next letter. That is your jim. Next, if you have a letter before jim, so what do? So this is from your previous letter, and you want to join to jim. Okay, again you just draw part of the jim. Okay, so here what does it mean? It means that jim can be connected to the previous letter and also to the next letter. And if jim is your last letter in the word, okay, so you do this and you complete the original form of the jim. Okay, so these are the shapes of jim. The same goes to ha. So this is your ha, and you want to connect it to the next letter. This is if it is connected to the previous and also to the next letter, and this is if it is in the end of the word, ha. And kha, it is of the same shape, kha, kha, kha. Now let us see these words or these letters in action. So for example, you want to write alif, ba and ta, and you want to combine them. So you want to write alif, ba and ta and sa. Okay, so you look at the rules. For example, alif. If you look at alif, can you connect alif to the next word? No. So how are you going to write the next letter? You just write ba without connecting it to alif. And now ba, you want to connect ba to ta. So you look at the rules again. So since ba can be connected to ta, so you just draw half of the ba, and then what do you do next is you join it to the ta. Okay, so now you have alif, ba and ta. Okay, now you want to connect ta to sa. Of course, ta can be connected to the next letter, which is sa, and since sa is in the last form, so you draw the original form of the sa. So this is how you join alif, ba, ta and sa. Let's look at another example. Now you want to join ta, ba, alif, sa. Okay, so ta, this is the ta, and since you can connect it to ba, okay, you just draw half of the ta and then continue with the ba. Now you want to connect ba to the alif. If you look at alif, alif can be connected to the previous letter, so you draw the alif connected to the previous letter. So that is your ta, this is your ba, and this is your alif. And now you want to join alif to sa. Alif cannot be connected to the next letter. So what do? You leave a blank and then write the next letter, which is sa. Okay, so this is how you join ta, ba, alif and sa. We take another example. Let's say now you want to join the next set of letters. Let us connect jim, ha and kha and see how it will look like. Okay, so from the rules it says that jim, it can be connected to the next letter. Okay, so you are ready now to join it to the next letter. Now this is your jim. Okay, you want to connect it to ha. Ha, it can be connected to the previous, so you just connect jim to ha. Okay, ha can also be connected to the next letter. Okay, now we are ready to join to the kha. Okay, so now this is the kha. Since this is the last letter in the word, so you draw the original shape of the kha. So there you go, that is your jim, ha and also kha. Now let us combine all the letters from the beginning. Let's say now you want to join ta, jim, alif, ha, sa. Okay, so ta, you look at the ta, the rules of ta. So this is the ta and it can be connected to the next letter, and you have also to look at the rule of the next letter, which is jim. Jim can also be connected to the previous letter, so you join both of them. So this is your ta, this is your jim. Now you want to join jim and alif. Jim, it can be connected to alif, so you draw the alif. Now you want to join alif and ha. Can you connect alif to the next letter? The rule says no, you cannot connect alif to the next letter. So what do? Okay, you leave a blank and then you write the next letter, which is ha. Now you want to join ha. Can you join them? Yes, you can join. And the next letter sa can be joined to the previous letter. So we draw the sa. And since this is the last letter in the word, we draw the original form of the sa. Okay, so there you go. This is your ta, jim, alif, ha, and sa. Let us try another one. You want to join kha, alif, ba, jim, alif. Okay, so kha, this is your kha, join it to alif, and then you want to join to ba. You cannot, because alif cannot be joined to the next letter, so you write ba, and then join it to the jim and join it to the alif. Okay, so this is how you join kha, alif, ba, jim, alif.